Greetings, my birthday V family all over the world. This is your birthday baby. So let me sing happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me, happy birthday to the gorgeous one and only Chief, happy birthday to me. Guys, if you are watching this Wednesday message, I just realized that's the first time I ever sang happy birthday to myself. If you are watching this Wednesday message, it is on the 24th of June, the greatest day on the planet. It's my birthday. I have technically grown 1 year older, not necessarily wiser, alright, better looking, of course. But guys, I just have only one wish on my birthday. Alright, I still remember growing up as kids, we have a birthday cake, we have a candle, we make a wish. But today as your chief, I'm going to not keep my wish a secret. My wish is not for me. Thanks to Dato Sri Vijay, thanks to my mother, thanks to God. Alright, I've been blessed abundantly with so much great relationships, love, friends, family, you guys, my amazing downlines, financial freedom, alright, everything else. So my wish is no longer about me. My wish is to each one of you. It's for you. I wish you a beautiful journey in QNet. I wish you a journey filled with passion, dreams becoming a reality, bigger and bigger and bigger checks until ultimately max out. I wish you grow and learn and evolve and make Dato Sri Vijay proud. I wish you don't forget the reason why you started this business. I wish that you always remember that this business is going to change lives all around the world. And I wish you never stop believing in the DNA of Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran, rhythm, raise yourself to help mankind. So it's so cool that my Wednesday message is on my birthday. Alright, I no longer celebrate my birthday in a grand way because I believe that every day should be your freaking birthday and live life to the fullest every day, and then go to sleep and wake up and live life to the fullest and celebrate, and please, please, please be happy. No matter where you are, what you're going through, happiness is a choice. And let me thank all of you for all your amazing birthday wishes, photos, virtual emoji cakes that you are sending me on Instagram, Facebook, on my WhatsApp messages. Thank you so much for all your blessings, all your wishes, and most importantly, all your love. Love you guys. So welcome to the birthday Wednesday message. And on this Wednesday message, I want to talk about the most important thing. I want to address this issue, this pertinent issue that happens in the whole industry of network marketing. And for you to understand better why it happens and how you can stop it from happening in your organization. And the topic of this Wednesday message is simply, why do people quit and how do you stop them from quitting? Now, I've told you many times on VCon stage, alright, you cannot fail in network marketing. It is an impossibility. Alright, there's nobody who can fail in network marketing. The only time you fail is when you quit. So it's not failing, it's quitting. And throughout your journey, whether you are brand new, alright, whether you are an AVP, V partner, max out king or queen, alright, it remains a mystery to most people why people would quit after signing up in QNet. Alright, and I have gone through and watched this for 22 years and I've understood it. Alright, learning from Dato Sri Vijay, Japadas Bismarck, our grain founders. And I ask this question to Dato Sri Vijay all the time in the early part of my journey, the early years of my journey, on why people quit. Because this is the biggest dilemma in network marketing. Now think about the logic. You invite a prospect, alright, calling me right now, a prospect, alright, you invite a prospect, you do the presentation, that person sees the presentation and makes a informed, educated, passionate, fantastic decision and says, yes, I'm in. I want to buy the product. I want to start my journey as an entrepreneur. And then somewhere along the journey, it could be 1 week, 1 year, 6 months, 2 years, 3 days. People actually quit. Even the people who say, oh my God, I don't have the money, I have to hunt for the money everywhere, big drama, and they give you the money, they sign up, they buy the product, and they can actually forget about QNet, and they actually quit, they drop out. Now firstly, don't panic. This happens to everyone, even the greatest uplines in network marketing. We partners have had downlines who quit. I have had downlines who quit. You understand? Dato Sri Vijay Japa has downlines who have quit somewhere along the journey. The first rule you have to understand, there's an aspect of people quitting that you do not control. And there's an aspect of people quitting and you have control to prevent them from quitting. And there's no use focusing and analyzing to depth the morons who quit. Alright, the morons who quit for no logical reason. Think about it. Alright, you did a presentation for 40 minutes, 50 minutes with your heart and soul. The person asked 25 questions. You answered all the questions. The person gave you the credit card, alright, or got e-cards and signed up and excited. And then one reason they quit, they read a negative article in Google. That means two potential reasons. That person is the biggest moron on the planet. That after buying the product and reading a negative article, did not come back and clarify and get answers to satisfy the negative moronism in their mind, they decide to quit. Now that means this person has a mental problem, and you are lucky they don't remain in your organization, because they have a mental instability that could become contagious to your whole organization, and they may mentally convince other people to quit. It is not mental instability, it's stupidity. Alright, and when those people quit, I said thank God, because imagine if they stayed and you satisfied them and they grow, fantastic. What if they come back every single day with a new excuse? Now these are people searching for rationalization to quit so they don't look like a loser. They don't look like a quitter. So people who are quitters, people who give up, alright, even before understanding the journey, people who give up even before trying to be an entrepreneur with QNet, those people have quit everything in life. Trust me, if you analyze, they have quit many times in their life. And they're using that article, they're using some stupid newspaper article, they're using Google search, they're using what they heard from their neighbors as a rationalization, so they don't look like a quitter to you. But bottom line, they are quitters. These are the same people who can choose a girl and 10 people say don't marry the girl. They say, I don't care, I will marry her. But one neighbor say, oh, QNet is a scam. Oh, I want to quit. Stupidity is the answer. They are quitters. These are people, sad to say, have been quitters their whole life. That their DNA has a flaw. That they will never succeed in life. They'll never rise. So don't get upset. Don't get depressed. Because they quit the minute they sign up. Do you understand this logic? I have met many people like this. They quit the minute they sign up. And even if they stay longer, they will find the smallest reason. Oh, black cat walked past me, bad luck, I quit. Oh my God, it's going to rain, I quit. Oh my God, the watch came in dented, I'm going to quit. Now if you are looking for a reason to quit, you will find it. Like Dato Sri Vijay taught me this. Alright? There are thousands of reasons why somebody will quit. All you need to do is find that one reason why they will stay. Alright? And those are the people you want to keep in your organization. However, alright, that you have no control. Moronism, stupidity, doesn't matter. Alright, it's their life, their decision. And trust me, monitor these people. They will never make it anywhere. They will never make it in another MLM company. If they jump ship, they will never make it anywhere else. Because it's not about QNet, it's about their DNA, their mindset of being a quitter. But there is, alright, the people who stay and quit further down the road. And I have identified why they quit. Alright? There are people who will never quit. I will never quit. All of you watching this Wednesday message will never quit. And I have done research and identified that the people who will never quit, no matter what happens, no matter what news is everywhere, no matter how many times their organization collapse, no matter how many crises they face, no matter how big or how small their check is, they will never quit. Alright, these are the warriors. These are the people who go on stage. These are the V partners, AVPs, V councils, V elite leaders, in service, core in service, alliance. These are the true warriors who Dato Sri Vijay has built over the past 22 years, who have raised QNet to where it is today. And they all have something in common. They cross a line. They have that click that happens. And your duty, alright, as an upline, as a networker, managing that person, is to take him across the line. Because there's a line people cross where they will never quit. Below this line, they can find multiple reasons to quit. They are unstable. They may quit tomorrow, come back, I give up, oh my God, I'm suffering, my check is not big enough, oh I don't know whether networking is for me, oh I read negative news, oh my mother doesn't support me, father doesn't support me, blah, 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 blah. These people are unstable, no? Below the line. And this could be 1 year in their journey, they could still stay below the line. 2 years in the journey, they could still stay below the line. That's why sometimes I'm confused why that person quit. 2 years in the business, still quit. Stupid. Not stupid. Because they haven't crossed the line. The click did not happen. Alright? Once you cross the line, this is solid concrete. There is no reverse. You can never go back. Alright? This guy crossed the line already. You understand? Once you are here, anything can happen. This is still unstable. There is lack of clarity. Once you cross that line, they never go back. And this is concrete. I am here. No matter what happens, bad day, good day, depressed, whatever, rain, no rain, legal, illegal, whatever nonsense, Google search, nothing will bring me back to the quit zone. This is the quitting zone. This is stay with Dato Sri Vijay forever. Raise your checks, increase your BV, conquer new markets, be happy, be proud, be unbelievable, be a max out king, be a blue diamond, go up on stage as a V partner. I love Dato Sri Vijay, I love this company. This is my life. This zone. Now your job as a networker, as an upline, if you are here, alright, get here very fast. Because this is, a very unstable zone. You have to get here fast. And if you are already here, you must pull as many people across the line where the base is concrete. They will never, ever quit this business. I guarantee you. No matter how difficult the journey gets, no matter how many times they collapse, they will get up again, as Dato Sri Vijay says. These are the get up again people. These are the people, oh my God, yeah, I want to quit. Oh, I regret quitting. Can I come back? Oh, I don't want to come back. Oh, I want to quit. These are quitters. But quitters can change. You just got to get them across the line. And how do you get them across the line? First, understand their mindset. Don't ignore their issues. Resolve it with certainty, clarity, passion. Right? If somebody is in this quitting zone, I will identify what's wrong with the guy. Resolve it. This is called personal development. All right, send them for training. Let them watch videos. The more information, maybe a paradigm shift can happen. Understand them and resolve their issues. Don't ignore their issues and sweep it under the carpet. Answer all their questions. All right. Next is transfer the non-objective, transfer the subjectivity, emotion to them. All right. Make them feel the power of entrepreneurship. Make them feel the power of potential financial freedom. Make them feel it. Connect with them. Transfer your emotions, transfer your power, transfer your feelings to them. Transfer your paradigm shift to them. All right, this is very important. All right, and when you transfer that energy, that subjectivity, the mojo, all right, they will follow you across the line. All right, third, show them this zone. Even though they are here, show them this zone. Show them the beauty of this zone. Show them the beauty of personal development, growing up, bigger checks, max out, blue diamond. Show them the picture. Talk about people in this zone. They may not relate to you, but they will connect with somebody here and they will want to cross the line and come to the get up again zone no matter what. All right? And take their dream and move it here. Take their dream and say, here, I don't know. But if you put your dream in this zone and you move to this zone, your dream will become a reality. All right? Get them across by showing them the beauty of this world. The beauty of a world of changing your life, commitment, growing, enjoying this journey, breathing this air of financial freedom. Talk about stories here. Talk about success stories here. Talk about people who fell down and got up again, fell down, got up again, fell down, got up again, fell down, got up again, and maxed out. So they feel it's possible that falling down is okay as long as you get up again in this zone. All right, share the power of having Dato Sri Vijay, because this zone are people who are connected to Dato Sri Vijay, who believe in their DNA, who believes in his messaging, his vision. That is not only about making money, it's about changing the world, and that could create the click in this guy to cross to this level. All right, show him that this is not a team, but this is family. That here it's all about upline, downline, team, follow the system. But here it's about belonging to a family. It's about loyalty. It's about having people who will watch your back. All right, that's somebody you can lean on, somebody you can rely on. Here is about care. Here is about love. All right, here is the true QNet. Not perfect, imperfect in the eyes of others, but perfect inside. Wholesome, beautiful, reliable, integrity, 22 years. No matter what happens, this company will be there for you forever. All right, and get them to cross this line. And the first rule of getting them to cross the line is what? Monkey see, monkey do. They must see you here. They must see that the journey is beautiful, enjoyable. All right, that you have support, that this is the real world of network marketing. So throughout that journey, all right, from zero to max out, the only people who will quit are those who are still in the zone. Those who have crossed the line and can never fall down back here again. Whether it takes 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, they will love the journey and they will reach max out in their own time. And we push them, pull them, hug them. All right, sometimes smack them into realization, but they are in that zone. And the more people of your organization are in this zone, the more powerful your organization becomes. The faster you max out, the faster everyone checks go up. The greatest challenge is many of you have a huge organization, but the majority of people are below the line. And it takes a lot of hard work to convince them. It takes a lot of hard work. Then you get depressed when they quit, but they're going to quit because they haven't crossed the line. And you need to take the majority of your organization across the line, and then your organization will last forever. Then you hear max out stories every day. Don't focus on pushing them while they are here, because they will quit, they will leave. Focus on getting them across the line. Even if they are one day old, they can cross the line. 1 week old, they can cross the line. All right? 1 year old, they can cross the line. I know people still here after 5 years. They just didn't take the leap of faith because the uplines didn't know how to pull them up across the line. This is the world of financial freedom. This is the world where you are in Dato Sri Vijay's family, not organization. So if your organization is 5% here and 95% here, you're going to suffer. But if your organization is 95% here, 5% here, it's beautiful. So pull your people up. Like how Dato Sri Vijay pulled me up, how Japa pulled me up. Cross the line and you will stay in this zone forever. And this is the only zone where max out happens. So guys, this is my birthday Wednesday message. My most powerful realization. If you want to understand network marketing, understand my message. Get your people to this zone where they will never fall back to the quitter's zone. They will stay here. This is family, not organization. This is loyalty. This is max out in this zone. So I love you guys, and I am pulling you right now. Each of you, give me your hand. Trust Dato Sri Vijay. Believe in this organization. Stop listening to the world. Let me pull you across the line. Follow me. Follow Dato Sri Vijay. Follow Japadas Bismarck. Let me pull you across the line. Believe in your own potential. Believe in your dreams. Hold my hand and let me pull you across the line to the max out zone. I love you guys.